Welcome to our AI Essentials series. Today we're demystifying the buzzwords that dominate the world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a newbie or tech-savvy, understanding these terms is crucial. Let's dive in. Key AI Terminologies Explained. AI refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. A subset of AI machine learning involves algorithms that enable computers to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, a branch of machine learning, uses layered neural networks to model complex data patterns, powering technologies like image and speech recognition. Inspired by the human brain, neural networks are computing systems with interconnected nodes that process information in layers, essential for deep learning. NLP enables machines to understand and interpret human language, forming the backbone of virtual assistants and chatbots. An algorithm is a set of rules or instructions given to an AI to help it learn how to complete a task or solve a problem. Big data refers to large volumes of data that AI systems analyze to find patterns, trends, and associations, especially relating to human behavior and interactions. Training data is the dataset used to teach AI models to recognize patterns or make decisions. The quality and quantity of this data directly impact the AI's performance. Overfitting occurs when an AI model learns the training data, including noise and outliers, too well, reducing its ability to generalize to new data. A type of machine learning where an AI learns to make decisions by performing actions and receiving rewards or penalties, akin to trial and error learning. AGI refers to a level of AI that can understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a broad range of tasks, matching human cognitive abilities. Generative AI is capable of creating new content such as text, images, or music by learning from existing data, exemplified by models like GPT-4. In AI, a hallucination refers to the generation of incorrect or nonsensical information by a model, often due to limitations in training data or model design. AI bias occurs when a system produces prejudiced results due to erroneous assumptions in the machine learning process, often reflecting biases present in training data. LLMs are AI models trained on extensive text data to understand and generate human-like language, enabling applications like chatbots and content creation. And there you have it, key AI terms decoded. Understanding this terminology empowers you to navigate the AI landscape with confidence. If there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below, and we'll deliver a video on it within 6 hours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI insights. See you next time.